Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Bold English. My name is Bill, and I'm here to help you speak English with confidence. Improve your English naturally, and use English in real life. Congratulations. You've completed our Foundation series. Now, it's time to use your English in real situations. Starting today, we'll practice conversations that people have every single day at a coffee shop, at a restaurant, at the airport, at work, on the phone, and many more. By the end of this series, you'll know how to speak English naturally in everyday life. Today's situation is simple, but very useful. You're going to a coffee shop. You want to order confidently. You want to understand the staff, and you want to reply naturally. Don't worry. I'll guide you step by step. Let's begin. Imagine this. You're traveling. You walk into a beautiful coffee shop. The person behind the counter smiles and asks, "Good morning. What can I get for you?" Suddenly, you freeze. You know English, but you don't know what to say next. Has that ever happened? Or are you afraid it might happen? If yes, this lesson will help you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to order coffee, ask simple questions, understand common replies, and speak confidently without memorizing difficult English. Stay until the end, because you'll also practice a complete real conversation, just like you're actually standing inside a coffee shop. Before we start, if you want to speak English confidently in real-life situations, subscribe to Speak Bold English. Every lesson will prepare you for real conversations. Now, let's walk into our coffee shop together. Imagine you open the door. You walk to the counter. The cashier smiles and says, "Good morning. How are you today?" You can answer, "I'm doing well. Thank you. How are you?" Simple, friendly, natural. Now, the cashier asks, "What can I get for you?" You can say, "I'd like a cup of coffee, please." Excellent. Very natural. The cashier asks, "What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?" You can answer, "Medium, please." Perfect. Now the cashier asks, "Would you like anything to eat?" You can answer, "Yes, I'd like a sandwich, please. That's all." Excellent. The cashier says, "Anything else?" You reply, "No, that's everything. Thank you." Very good. The cashier says, "That'll be $10. You answer, "Here you are." Or, "Can I pay by card?" Excellent. You're already having a real conversation. Imagine this scene. You didn't memorize long sentences. You simply used clear, natural English. And that's exactly how confident speakers communicate. Excellent. Now, let's make the conversation more natural. Imagine you've ordered your coffee, but now you have a few questions. Let's practice together. The cashier asks, "Would you like your coffee? Hot or iced?" You can answer, "I'd like it hot, please." Or, "I'd like an iced coffee, please." Excellent. Now the cashier asks, "Is this for here or to go?" You can answer, "For here, please." Or, "To go, please." Very good. Now imagine you're not sure what to order. You can ask, "What do you recommend?" The cashier might say, "Our caramel latte is very popular." Or, "Many customers like our cappuccino." Excellent. Now you can answer, "That sounds great. I'll have the cappuccino, please." Let's continue. You want something sweet. You ask, "Do you have any desserts?" The cashier replies, "Yes. We have chocolate cake, cheesecake, and cookies." You answer, "I'd like a slice of chocolate cake, please." Perfect. Now imagine you change your mind. You can say, "Actually, can I have tea instead?" Excellent. That's a very common expression. Now let's practice a complete conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat. Cashier, "Good afternoon. Welcome. What can I get for you?" You, "Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please." Cashier, "Would you like it hot or iced?" You, "Hot, please." Cashier, "Is this for here or to go?" You, "To go, please." Cashier, "Would you like anything else?" You, Yes. A chocolate cookie, please. Cashier. Your total is $12. You? Can I pay by card? Cashier. Of course. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. You? Thank you. You too. Excellent. Did you notice something? None of these sentences were difficult. They were short, simple, and useful. That's how real conversations happen. People don't always use long, complicated English. They use clear English. Now, here's your challenge. I'll only ask the questions. You answer without looking at the screen. Ready? What can I get for you? Hot or iced? For here or to go? Would you like anything else? How would you like to pay? Fantastic. You're no longer just watching. You're speaking. And that's how real confidence grows. Stay with me, because in the final part, we'll practice a longer coffee shop conversation with different situations, so you'll feel ready to order confidently anywhere in the world. Excellent. You've done a great job. Now, it's time for a complete, real-life conversation. Imagine you're standing inside a coffee shop. The cashier smiles. You smile back. Let's begin. Cashier. Good morning. Welcome. How are you today? You? I'm doing well. Thank you. How are you? Cashier. I'm great. Thank you. What can I get for you today? You? I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. Cashier. Would you like it hot or iced? You? Hot, please. Cashier. Would you like anything to eat? You? Yes. I'd like a blueberry muffin, please. Cashier. For here or to go? You? For here, please. Cashier. Anything else? You? No, that's all. Thank you. Cashier. Your total is $9. You? Can I pay by card? Cashier. Of course. Here is your receipt. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. You? Thank you very much. Have a great day. Cashier. You too. Enjoy your coffee. Excellent. Now, let's practice a small conversation. The cashier asks, "Is this your first time here?" You can answer, "Yes, it's my first visit." Or, "No, I've been here before." Excellent. The cashier asks, "How's your day going?" You can answer, "It's going well. Thank you." Or, "It's been a busy day, but I'm doing well." Very natural. Now remember, real conversations are not about using difficult words. They're about feeling comfortable and speaking clearly. Simple English can take you almost anywhere. Now, answer these questions without stopping. What's your favorite coffee or drink? What do you usually order at a coffee shop? Do you prefer hot drinks or cold drinks? Why? Who would you like to visit a coffee shop with? Why? Describe your perfect coffee shop in 3 simple sentences. Fantastic. If you answered those questions, you just completed a real-life English conversation. Be proud of yourself. Every time you practice, you're becoming a more confident English speaker. If today's lesson helped you, please like this video, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe to Speak Bold English. Every lesson will prepare you for real conversations that you can use in everyday life. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep practicing, and remember, confidence doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from using what you already know. I'll see you in the next lesson.